Ever heard "good job" slip out when kids tidy toys or finish dinner? It's easy, habitual, really. Yet it can unintentionally imply worthiness hinges on constant praise. Instead of "good job," narrate what you observe. You picked up all the blocks. This reflects reality, adoring the process, not just the result. Notice what they've done. A marvel of parenting, this shift acknowledges effort and instills independence. Imagine siblings working together. Praise joins them with, "You shared the crayons nicely," instead of celebrating the end result. Such encouragement envelops kids in warmth, unclouded by conditions. It honors effort and intention. This is not simply changing words, but crafting relationships, where communication is an unspoken affection. See the unfoldment. Children who radiate self-assurance, gleefully commanding their world with boundless curiosity. Parents find satisfaction in extending genuine admiration rather than canned responses. This newfound dance nurtures emotional intelligence, a lifelong resilience skill. It's transformative. Now take the step. Replace "good job" with specific insights that invigorate. Teach self-reflection.